Look at this carpet. Greasy, dark, ruined looking. Now look at this. Same carpet, same spot. Zero chemicals, zero scrubbing, zero professional cleaner. Just a $2 powder that's probably sitting in your kitchen right now. I am going to show you exactly how to pull deep grease stains out of carpet using one of the most overlooked dry cleaning secrets ever discovered. No water, no soap, no stain remover spray, just cornstarch and a method that dry cleaners used for decades before chemical companies buried it. Stay until the end because I'm going to show you the full before and after, step by step, in real time. And if you have carpet in your home, especially with kids or pets, this video could save you hundreds of dollars. Let's go. Here's something that will make you a little angry. Dry cleaning shops in the early 1900s didn't use chemicals. They used powders, natural absorbent powders, pressed into fabrics, left to sit, then brushed out. Cornstarch was one of the big ones. Tailors used it. Upholstery cleaners used it. High-end carpet restorers used it. It worked because grease doesn't bond to fabric permanently. It just sits there, heavy and oily, tangled inside the fibers. The right dry powder can literally grab that grease and pull it out. Then the chemical carpet cleaning industry blew up. Spray bottles, foam cleaners, enzyme solutions, steam machines. Suddenly everyone forgot about the old dry powder method. And here's the part that will really get you. Most chemical carpet sprays don't even remove old deep-set grease. They just dilute it, spread it around, sometimes make it worse. But cornstarch? Cornstarch goes deep. It locks onto oil molecules and draws them out of the fiber. This technique was buried, forgotten, replaced by expensive products that work half as well. Today, we bring it back. This is the most satisfying part of this video. Here is your complete supply list. 1. Cornstarch. Regular food-grade cornstarch from any grocery store or kitchen shelf. Price? Under $2 for a box. That's it. That's the main weapon. Optional. A soft bristle brush or old toothbrush for gentle working in of the powder. Cost? $0 if you already have one. Optional? A vacuum cleaner. Any basic household vacuum. You already own one. Optional? Baking soda. If the stain also has an odor, combine half cornstarch, half baking soda. Together they absorb grease and neutralize smell. Total cost still under $3. That's your full kit. No Amazon order. No specialty store. No $40 carpet cleaning formula. Just cornstarch from the pantry shelf and a vacuum you already own. Now let's talk about why this actually works. Because once you understand the science, you'll never look at a grease stain the same way again. Here's the simple truth about grease stains. Oil and grease are hydrophobic. They repel water. That's why spraying water on a grease stain does almost nothing. The water sits on top. The grease stays deep in the fiber. You rub it in further. You make it worse. Now here's where cornstarch becomes a genius solution. Cornstarch is a fine, porous powder made up of tiny starch granules. These granules have a massive surface area, and they are highly absorbent. And when you pour cornstarch directly onto a grease stain, here's what happens at the microscopic level. The starch granules begin to absorb the oil molecules. Like a sponge, but at a molecular level, they physically bind to the grease and lock it inside the granule structure. As the cornstarch sits and dries, it pulls more oil up from deep in the carpet fiber, almost like a wick pulling moisture upward. By the time you vacuum it away, the cornstarch has literally carried the grease out of the carpet with it. This is why it works on deep, set-in stains that spray cleaners completely fail on. Sprays sit on the surface, cornstarch pulls from below, and because it's a dry method, no water, no soap, there's no risk of spreading the stain, no soaking the carpet backing, no mold, no damage. It's clean, it's simple, and the chemistry is completely on your side. Now let's do this for real. Step by step, on a real stain. All right, here's our test carpet. This is a set-in grease stain. Cooking oil, been here for days. Looks dark, heavy, embedded. This is exactly the kind of stain that spray cleaners have no power over. Watch what happens. Step 1. Do not wet the stain. This is the most important rule of this entire method. No water, no pre-spray, no soap. If you wet a grease stain, you push it deeper and set it harder. We're going dry, all the way through. Step 2. Pour cornstarch generously directly onto the stain. Don't be shy. Pile it on. You want a thick layer, at least half a centimeter deep, covering the full stain and a centimeter beyond its edges. Look at that. The white powder sitting right on top of the grease. Already you can see the powder starting to clump slightly where the oil is heaviest. That's the absorption beginning. That's the cornstarch doing its job. Step 3. Gently press and work the powder in. Using your fingers or a soft brush, lightly press the cornstarch down into the carpet fibers. Do not rub, do not scrub, just press, gently tap. Let the powder make contact with the deep fibers. You want the cornstarch to get down to where the grease is living, not just sit on the surface. Light, gentle pressure. 15 to 20 seconds, that's all. Step 4, leave it alone. This is the hard part. For a fresh stain, leave it for a minimum of 30 minutes. For an old set-in stain like this one, leave it for 2 to 4 hours, or overnight if possible. I know, it's hard to wait, but this waiting time is where all the magic happens. The cornstarch is pulling grease upward through the fibers. The longer it sits, the deeper it draws. Look at the powder now. See how the color has changed? See those darker clumped patches? That is grease, pulled out of the carpet. Now trapped inside the cornstarch granules. The powder has done its job. Step 5. Vacuum it away completely. Use your vacuum on full suction. Back and forth over the treated area. Make multiple passes. Don't rush this. You are literally sucking up the grease along with the cornstarch. It's leaving the carpet. Right now. Watch. Step 6. Inspect and repeat if needed. Look at the stain. For most stains, 1 round is enough for a dramatic improvement. But for old or very heavy grease stains, do a second application immediately. Same process. Pour, press, wait, vacuum. Each round pulls out another layer of grease. 2 or 3 rounds on a stubborn stain will take it from visible to nearly invisible. Okay, this is the moment we've been waiting for. This is what it looked like when we started. Dark, greasy, discolored. The kind of stain that makes you want to rearrange the furniture to hide it. And this is what it looks like now. The grease is gone. The fiber color is restored. No chemical residue, no wet patch, no soap ring forming as it dries. Just clean, dry carpet. Now I need to be honest with you. On extremely old, years-old stains, you may see a slight shadow remaining after the first full treatment. That is normal. Run a second or third cycle, and that shadow continues to fade. For stains that are days or weeks old, like this one, the result is dramatic and often near complete. And the best part? When you vacuum that cornstarch away, you're also removing the grease from your home entirely, not diluting it, not pushing it further in, actually removing it. That is something no spray cleaner can claim. A few quick things before you run to try this. Tip 1. Always test a small hidden area first. Cornstarch is safe for almost every carpet type, but test a coin-sized spot first, especially on delicate rugs or antique wool carpets. Tip 2. This method is dry only. Do not mix cornstarch with water or any liquid. It will turn into a paste and clog your carpet fibers. Dry application only. Tip 3. For odor plus grease, mix cornstarch and baking soda 50-50. The cornstarch pulls the grease. The baking soda kills the smell. Apply the same way. Tip 4. Don't use this on a wet stain. If someone just spilled oil or grease, first blot up as much liquid as possible with a dry paper towel. Press, don't rub. Then apply cornstarch once the surface is no longer dripping wet. Tip 5. Use a high suction vacuum for removal. A weak vacuum will leave cornstarch residue in the fibers. Use your best vacuum, multiple passes, to get every bit out. Tip 6. Repeat is not failure. If the stain isn't completely gone after 1 round, that's not a failure, that's just a deep stain. Do round 2. The method is designed to work in layers. Tip 7. Store your cornstarch somewhere dry. If it clumps due to humidity, spread it out on a tray and let it air dry before use. Clumped cornstarch still absorbs, it's just less efficient. This method is safe for kids, safe for pets once vacuumed, safe for the environment. 0 harmful chemicals, 0 toxic runoff. Let's bring it all together. You just learned a dry cleaning secret that professional cleaners used for generations, buried by the chemical cleaning industry, and brought back to life for under $2. Cornstarch pulls grease from deep inside carpet fibers because of its natural oil-absorbing structure. No water, no scrubbing, no harsh chemicals. Just pour, press, wait, vacuum. Repeat if needed. That's it. I want to know, do you have a grease stain in your home right now that you've given up on? Drop a comment below. Tell me where the stain is and how long it's been there. I read every single one. If this video helped you, or if you know someone with a stained carpet they've been hiding with furniture, share this video right now. This is genuinely useful and someone you know needs to see it. And if you want more $2 and under home cleaning secrets that the big brands don't want you to know, hit subscribe and ring that notification bell, because I have a whole library of these methods coming, and you do not want to miss what's next. Thanks for watching. Now go grab that cornstarch. That stain doesn't stand a chance.